Morning, guys. As you know, it's Neftali. Today I'm gonna show you what I use to cook a gizzard. So jodi ma montre sa ke mwen utilize pou mwen cuit zizier poule. For the next video, if you guys want to know more, don't forget to leave me a message. So, si ou bezwen konen plus, just kite yon message pou nou an ba video a le nou postel, and then pou di nou ki sa. Men nan lot video ke nap montro depi nan komansman koman gen nou netwaye li e puis prepare l tout bagay. Sa li gen tan nan epis, it's almost like it's already clean. So we just gonna cook it. So this is the season we're gonna use. As you can see, everything is here. So we're gonna clean, make sure we wash everything, and we put it in the blender and we blend. So stay tuned to see the next step. Okay, this is the season, and we have hot water. Nou genyen dlo ka bouyi pou nou chauffe li, et puis tout nou genyen epis la nan bon sa. Gen pil moun ki toujou di Haitian food take time. That's why it smells good and it tastes good, because we take time to do all that. With hot water first. This is how my season comes. This is how my gizzard turns so yummy. Yay! Ready to eat. Ready to eat.